Welcome back. So this is another Carnegie Mellon activity. This is part of their Introduction to Programming. This is clouds. So they don't give you much to work with here. It just says draw the sky in the clouds, place your code here. Although it's pretty straightforward. When I first look at this, this is obviously going to be a rectangle. This will be our background. And then these are just basically circles. It looks like at least a couple of them. Might have to chop off some of them. Looks like maybe we got a couple rectangles as well, but we can make that work. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We have nothing to begin with, so we'll start with our first one here, which is a rectangle. And then that is going to be, it's going to be 0, 0. Now, this whole screen is 400 by 400, so we are just going to cover the entire screen. And then we're going to fill that in, and it does have a RGB value there for us. $85 to $55. Okay, so we'll run that, and there's our background. So now let's start with this left here. So these are going to be two circles, and then looks like we actually have a rectangle right here. Probably to cut this off. So, all right, so this is going to be the left circle right here. Okay, so the very first one is, we'll draw our two circles first. So this is 40. 290, and then it's got a radius of 60, and we're going to fill that in. With ghost white. Then there's a border, and that is going to be Gainsborough. And then we have a border width. And that's going to be 3. So if we run that, there's our first one. Okay. And I feel like we could easily copy this and then just add in. So then 105, 300 right here. Oops, and then I feel like I messed that up. I think that's 60. And then this one is a radius of 50. Okay. The rest of these should be the same. Right? I think. Yep. Okay, that's perfect. Now we're going to draw a rectangle. And that's what this is right here. So this is going to be 50 to 70. And then we have a width and a height. So width is from 50 to 80, so that's going to be a width of 30. And then a height of 270 to 330, so that's going to be 60. And then that gets filled in with ghost white. Right? Yes. Okay, so that's that. And if we draw that, that's perfect. So that's what that does, is cut that out. Now we've got more circles here. We've got 4 of them. So we probably have, looks like there's a rectangle, there's a rectangle. I think there's one more, but we'll find it. Okay, so this is the other one here. So the circle, and I'm just going to do this. Okay, just to remember. So this first one here, There's what we need. So we need this further one back. So that's 340, 115. And then that is going to be radius 50. Oh, and then border width. So we can take all this right here. Just like that. So we're going to fill Ghost White, because if we look at this one, Ghost White, Gainsborough, radius 50. Yeah, border width 3. We can do that. Okay, so now let's actually copy this, because these are all going to be roughly the same. So here's this next one, 260, 160. And then you got to be careful with this one because the radius is 70. Okay, but then, oops. Oh, because I don't have these completed yet. Yeah, I can't do that. Okay, so then our next one here is this one, 400. And you can see the, yeah, so let's copy this. So that's this one right here, 400, 160. And then that one was a radius of 60. But the rest of it's the same. And then we got this last one here. And that's this one. This is 330, 190. And then a radius of 80. Okay. Run that. Unmatched. Circle. 350. Oh. Why did it not like that? Yes, that is the one problem with copying and pasting. I got too many brackets here. Now let's run that. There we go. So the circles are done. Now we just got to add some rectangles in here. So now we definitely have a rectangle here. So it's 295, 100. And looks like we just go 20 is width. And height is 10, 11. And then we're going to fill that in with Ghost White. Okay. And I'm going to actually copy this because I believe they're all going to be Ghost White. So that's one. And actually, I probably shouldn't have done that. Let's run that a second. Okay, so that removed that. We're going to need one over here, and we're going to need one over here. Oh, I see. Okay, so here's this one. 360, 105. Okay. So 360. Found them all. And then this one goes up 12 in height and 20. So we're going to keep that 20, and this one actually goes up 12. Really? Okay, just one. Okay, so if we run that, yeah, we can see it. So then this is our last, and this one's going to stretch across this whole way here. That's this last one. So then this one is 245, 130. And then this is going to be much bigger. So the height or the width goes from 245 to 400. So that's 155 to get to 4. Yeah. And then this one goes from 225 or 130 to 225, and I think that's 95. So one thing to do with these when you're trying to figure this out is this is 245, this is 400. So if you subtract the difference in that, that's how I get the 155. So if you take 400 and subtract 245 from it, it's 155. And then same thing with this, we go from 130 to 225. So if I take 225 and subtract 130, I'm just looking for the difference. So how much did it go up to go from 130 to 225? And that's what that is. Okay. Otherwise, I think that's right. Ghost white. Let's go ahead and run that. Ah, that looks perfect. Okay. There you go. Hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.